This is not just a car, this is pure art on wheels. The Rolls-Royce Boat Tail stands in a class where luxury meets perfection, and every single detail tells a story of craftsmanship, elegance, and unmatched prestige. The moment you look at it, the deep glossy black finish reflects like a mirror, capturing light in a way that feels almost alive. It doesn't just shine, it commands attention. From the front, the iconic grille feels bold and powerful, almost like a symbol of authority. As your eyes move along the side, you notice the smooth, flowing lines inspired by luxury yachts, giving it a graceful yet dominant presence. This is not a design made to follow trends. It creates them, and then comes the rear. The signature boat tail design. It opens up like a masterpiece, revealing a hidden, luxury setup that feels more like a private experience than a car feature. It's not just engineering, it's emotion built into metal. Step inside and the world changes. The interior is not just comfortable, it's handcrafted perfection. Every stitch, every surface, every material is carefully chosen to deliver a feeling of exclusivity that very few will ever experience. You don't just sit in this car, you become part of it. Even the smallest details, like the wheels and finishing touches, are designed with absolute precision. Nothing feels ordinary. Everything feels intentional, refined, and timeless. This car isn't built for speed alone. It's built for presence. It's for those who don't just want to arrive, they want to make an entrance that no one can forget. The Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is more than transportation. It's a statement, a lifestyle, a symbol of success that speaks without saying a word. This is not just luxury. This is the definition of ultimate excellence.